In this video, we're just going to be talking about codecs and how they're used in video conferencing. But please let me know if you have any questions about what we're going to go through. So let's go through these slides. So what is an issue with video conferencing in terms of video and audio signals being transmitted over the network? So video signals usually involve the transmission of high volume of data over a network, and this means that there's higher traffic on the network. Okay, so especially in a video conference, if your resolution of your video is very high, that means that more data has to be transmitted over the network. So higher the resolution, the more data being transmitted. So high traffic results in disruption or interruption of the video conference. To overcome this, codecs are used. How do codecs overcome the problem of interruption or disruption of video conferencing due to large file transmission? So codec is an abbreviation for coder and decoder. At the sender's end, the coder element of the codec takes the video and audio signals and compresses them, reducing their file size. So the original file size or the original file is compressed, it's made smaller. This means that less traffic may appear, which means less chance of interruption or disruption to the conference. So the coder basically is going to compress the file so it's smaller, and it's going to send the smaller file over the network. So that's going to result in less traffic as opposed to sending the original file in its original size, which will be a lot bigger, and that's going to cause more traffic. So at the receiver's end, the decoder decompresses the video and audio signals so they can be played. So then it's going to decompress the compressed file so that it can be returned, presumably, to its original size, and it can be played. So the same codec must be used at the source and destination. So the same codec going from the sender's end must be the same codec at the receiver's end, because different codecs compress and decompress in different ways. Therefore, standard codecs exist for video conferencing. So here's one example, H.264. This is a codec which is also used for DVDs and YouTube videos as well. So this is just how a codec overcomes the problem of interruption or disruption of a video conference due to a large file transmission. So it compresses the file first and then sends it over the network, and then at the receiver's end that file is decompressed and then the video can be played. So that is the end of the lesson. Please let me know if you have any questions.